Hi guys, it's John from Splash. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our Vanity Swirl Concealer Polish. So Vanity is an advanced swirl concealer polish. It contains sophisticated polymers and ultra-fine abrasives to soften and fill in swirl marks in your paint. It's also packed with gloss enhancers that's going to bring a superior gloss to any car. It's perfect for hand or machine application. We've developed it to be used by hand so that you can get great results if you don't have the experience or the tools to use a machine polisher. Now, we're not saying that Vanity is going to replace a full paint correction, because it won't, but what Vanity is great at doing is filling in those swirl marks for those people that either don't have the time to do a full paint correction or don't have the knowledge to complete it. Vanity is really easy to use and great at getting superb results by hand. Check it out now and we'll see. So what we're doing here, guys, is just taping an area on the bonnet about 30 centimetres by 30 centimetres. This is just to show the before and afters. So give your bottle of Vanity a shake and add 3 to 5 pea-sized dots on our microfiber applicator pad. What you want to then do is dab it on the bonnet or the chosen area, just to make sure that we're getting full coverage of the product. Rub it in circular motions with medium pressure. You don't want to apply it too hard, but don't apply too soft either. Go from left to right and then top to bottom, just to make sure that we cover the whole area. You can then leave the polish for a couple of minutes before buffing off with our candy cloth microfiber. This is an ideal cloth as it's really nice and soft and perfect at buffing off polish or wax. As you can see, when you start to buff it off, you reveal a deep gloss shine that Vanity has created. As you can see, the left side was treated to Vanity, whilst the right side of the image, you can see all the swirl marks. Now, there are some minor swirls, but I'd say we've got about 90% correction there. And there you have it, Vanity, really easy to use. Right guys, there you go. I hope you enjoyed watching that video. Proof that Vanity is really easy to use and you can get great results by hand application. Let us know how you get on using it and we hope to see more of your pictures and your videos. Thanks guys, we'll see you on the next video.